Hello everybody, today we are playing Super Bow Noise, a Pizza Tower fan game featuring the noise, and it was made before when Pizza Tower was in its demo stage, and let's play. As you see, I've already been playing. And we play as this creature, which is Super Bow Noise, because you play as him because he is trying to get his tug crackers back and meet the crew. You see. And so there's obviously lap 2s. Why would there not be? That's all what Pizza Tower is about. I'll press the jump button. And and they brought back Kung Fu. Like that basically, you basically see their appreciation for like some of the earlier demos of Pizza Tower. What? That's my dad in the background. Yeah. Well, I deleted the videos. Did I? I genuinely don't know. Dad, I'm recording, so you're making me say stuff that I'm not supposed to say. And I have to make another video, but it's okay. I'll probably just put it in the video anyways, because I don't know how to edit. And those little guys, those little red guys are called Tax. Or Ticks. Tax, I think. And they're kind of like the Fork Knights from Pizza Tower, but just basically they're the same annoying thing. They make you lose your combo. That and that, you know. I was the knight in shiny. Boom! You know what's cool? You can do the Kung Fu moves. And you know what's cool? You can spawn a mini you. So. And you can stand on top of a parking sign.
Come on.
What is such bullshit, dude?
What happened?
Huh? You know, like the electric bill?
Yeah.
Was due on the 26th. So he told me like, hey, if you don't pay your bill, the 26th was a couple of days ago. And he said, because it's past due now, you gotta pay $270. I called him, I'm like, why do you guys do that? It's, it's past due a couple of days and then you want to charge for the next month, you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah, we need to pay next month.
Huh?
Yeah, because you pay both months.
Oh, but I told him, like, no, that's bullshit. I'm not gonna pay that.
and then told the next one to do.
No, they. No, what I told them, like, I said, I'll pay the past dues. Like, I said, I'm on vacation.
Yeah, spoilers,
Not even at home.
kinda.
And they're like,
I watch Super
Yeah, that's
Bowl
what-
video, so
that's
that's
what
why I
part
kinda
of
know
it
the
is.
spoilers.
I didn't know a problem like that. Yeah. I kept turning on the AC like really high in the summer
Yeah.
so he can be comfortable, laying there like sleeping, right? Huh? Yeah, and then one time he said he was gonna leave and he said, I need my
ACD for example.
he said, I'm gonna, you give me like $500 for the rent.
Yeah.
And he said, I'm gonna need that money back. And I'm going like, and he left me a big giant bill. You know what I mean? They don't look, yeah, like, they think they're the victim.
Yeah, that's what the Somalis are doing now.
No, I'm not talking about them fucking shit.
Yeah, we do the Somalis.
Huh?
We do the Somalis.
Don't you do those now?
Yeah, I got to hear that this morning. I'm gonna be fire for the. Some wrinkles are really easy.
So you think I got kicked to a frisbee?
No, I found him. Which one?
The,
What is this one? The sports one.
that's the scorpion?
Yeah, I had every time I put my name on it and I forgot.
So you never had it out there?
Oh yeah, this only has
No,
two
I thought I
of
lost
this
it.
game.
I know it
Only
wasn't
has
out
two
there.
of
I thought I
them, so.
lost it. I was like, oh,
You know when the guy was throwing those frisbees? Huh?
like that out there?
Yeah. I keep bringing it to him.
You can see I went all over the trees. He was barely making the trees.
So he threw one that was really far.
Oh, he was doing different throws though.
Yeah, I saw him like throw a frisbee and I kept looking at the frisbee like, is that frisbee gonna go down already?
I mean, as I was watching him, I didn't see him throw any when he was throwing. He was doing some weird throws.
No, but it was funny because he threw a frisbee like far away and I was like, is that frisbee coming down anytime soon?
Yeah, I mean, he was down now. I was gonna look at the monster. He lost it.
That's what I did. What's his name?
Yeah, I can tell.
Roscoe Pico Training? Roscoe Records?
No, he was okay, I guess, but I don't understand when, like, to me, I'd rather just go play a course and you learn more because each course is, like, if you're just gonna, like I said, a lot of people just wanna, chunk it real hard. That's what he was doing, like, and which is good, but when it comes down to, yeah, like, when there's a lot of trees and stuff, you're just gonna be chunky and throwing it at the trees. You know? Getting it at the trees and all that, but it's like, alright, cool, I like that. You gotta actually go out there and how you see it now. Yeah, you gotta go and just play different courses. There's certain courses where you
I thought I would play this because I'm the Noise fan. Like the number one Noise
there's a lot of
fan.
trees that you just hit the trees. Yeah, everybody gets mad and hit the trees. Everybody hits the trees, but you know, if you want to get better, I think you can
You know, these videos are going to take the time of the video games.
I mean, you gotta practice.
Huh?
You gotta practice. I mean, that's why those guys can profile. That's all they practice. I guess I'm not doing that.
These videos are going to take the time out of it.
We used to go to the arcade. We used to ride our bikes together.
Yeah? And now it's like this is
You want to talk to a friend or you can talk to them.
no, but it's a lot funner than going meet them.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun. It's a lot more fun. It's a lot funner going to meet them and hanging out with them. Like, hey, I figured, okay, let's get some ice cream. And I was like, hey, Can you make me an option to the internet? Like your new thing?
Huh?
Like your new thing?
Well, it's hard to put hats on the camera that thing. Sometimes it's easier just to do hats on here than
Everybody that you put a hat on. Can you put a name on it?
vinyl. I mean, you want this,
Barbie too, but I'm gonna see like which one she wants, the Rotary or the.
I feel like you want to put everybody's name, but you really like her name.
She does. No, you know why I like doing it? Because that way she don't do more weight. Like the one time I saw her sister wearing the shirt, I'm like, maybe the family. Do you like it? Yeah. So, you didn't like it? I thought it was my sister down there. You know, your God is no different than my God. Just don't listen to you lies. Huh? Somali?
You're really trying to push that Somalian thing.
You should. It's fucked up. It's fucking, they're a bunch of scammers.
But like, yeah, they're like known as scammers, and then they want to say you're racist. Like, what the fuck?
Using that term, using that saying, like, oh, you're racist. Like, that's supposed to calm you down, and like, being racist, it means that you hate the person because of your racism.
Yeah.
You don't have you have a lack of understanding. But if you're stealing money from your fellow people, they're fellow people. They're still, they think they're entitled to things that, you know, that, oh yeah,
I'm gonna do
we've been like helpless for 500 years. They're like,
this
okay, well
level,
then
so-
be like Mexicans and come over here and earn your way through, you know what I mean? But don't try to cheat the system, because you're stealing from us. You're stealing from your neighbor, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Don't feed me that bullshit like, oh, you're racist. Is that gonna calm me down right now? It's just gonna fucking fuel me up more and like, man, I'm not racist.
Those are videos, they're even like, yeah, man, you're up in one bar now. You're racist. What else is racist? Yeah, racist. You get the fuck out of here.
Hey,
Yeah, you saw that?
yeah.
That's funny. I was like, man, put that in here. That. The thing is that the white people are getting kind of fed up. They're just, you can't just call them racist.
Well, that's a cop out.
Yeah, it is. Like, so what? Fuck it, leave it alone.
Oh my God.
What?
I hate you, kid.
Why, you good at this?
Gosh. You know how long I wanted to hook up my phone to my TV, but I can't?
I didn't hook up the phone.
Hold on. I'm talking to your dad. But you know, I wanted to hook up so I can watch movies.
Yeah.
I don't think I can't. You gotta have a TV that's,
Smart TV?
huh?
A smart TV?
Yeah.
Yeah, or a Fire Stick. You need a Fire Stick or what?
What's the first thing?
You just hook it up to your back. Does your TV have HDMI on it?
Yeah.
You just hook it up in there and it's a smart TV. You want one? I have one.
You have one?
Yeah, I have one here. I have one. I bought one at yard sale and I never used it.
Yeah, but I always wanted to hook up my phone to the TV, and I'm like, what the hell? So I can watch my my Stargate.
This recording.
What, this?
It's called a recording, not.
This little thing?
Yeah, and then but it needs a power thing.
Power cord.
No, well you just hook it up to the back of your TV.
Oh, I see these things.
Yeah, you can have it. Here.
And I'm charging part of the
Okay, that's the first.
It's gonna be part of the what
Look,
do you
there's
call
another
it?
one down here.
Two of them. Let's rub the end. So I get better, more channels?
No, you can put Netflix and stuff. You see it? Yeah, look. So, what you do, you hook this up right here. This just gives you a little bit more extension, but can put a HDMI here if you want it.
I think it makes me like this. You know, I got a bunch of
You put this in the power block. You put this in the power. Put this in the back of your TV, and put it on HDMI 1 or whatever, and then this thing has Netflix and all that stuff. It basically makes the TV a power. Just put it on the back. But it'll make your TV a smart TV. So like if you have,
So this I gotta connect it to the TV?
yeah, and this you put a little power block on and connect it to, it gives it to the power.
Or to
It
the
needs
power?
the little power block. You can take the one. You get it?
Huh?
So you understand? Now you put it on the
Yeah.
on the TV and it'll turn into a smart TV.
You know what Carter did?
What's that?
You know your little antenna you gave me? The little round
Oh yeah.
No. He bought a cord, right?
Yeah.
And he connected it. He goes like, here, now it works. I said, okay. And you know what he did? When he took off, he took the freaking cord. And that's what he did. Like what he did was when he left, I had my curtains, right?
Yeah.
When he came, he switched them out. So when he left, he took the curtains. And then when he also another thing he did, I was like, I had my map.
Yeah.
He replaced them. And when he left, he took the map. And then no. And then I had a razor, right? Like 2 razors, the expensive ones.
Yeah.
I took one of them. When I find them, I want to freaking choke the shit out of them. This is from my freaking razor.
Hey, whoa, why you doing my stuff? Oh, it's that
I do
little
it,
stress
I
ball?
do it.
Oh no, I have a little stress ball.
Did I do it?
And I was going like, why, that's a slum by jar. And then, like I said, he took my, he gave me a big giant electric bill. I'm trying to pay off.
Oh, that's still part of it?
Yeah.
Blah,
Like my-
blah, blah.
You know, like my highest electric bill since I've been living there by myself. It's probably like $58.
I'm telling you, dude, those people that live here, when I told them my bill went up to like $200, I was like, man, it's not that I don't want to help y'all, but like all my shit goes up a lot, and I'm stuck with the fucking bill, dude. How you expect people to
That's what I don't get about Jose. Why would he let that guy live there?
Well, because it was, they all helped, they were helping him, but then, you know, at the end, they were,
Yeah.
It's not his job to help him.
no, I know, but,
If you can't help yourself, you shouldn't, you know?
well, that's the thing about people like that, dude. They act like they're your best friend and they're great and everything. You know, oh man, I can help this person. They need my help. You're trying to be a good person and they use it against you and then they start. By the time you know it, you're over here fucking stressing out on all the bills and you know
They're not helping
they're
you.
not helping you, dude. That's what I'm saying. It's fucked up. That's how like when you're trying to help you, of course be helpful, but don't be taking advantage of it either.
Yeah, like Leticia told me, she goes, if you don't want
This
to live in an
level's
apartment,
fun.
you can afford it out.
Like, it's definitely gonna be a hard time to learn
She
that.
has the decency to tell you that. You know, she's your friend, but
Chicken nugget. That's my
as
favorite.
long as you know she's your friend and you know she is, but you know, as long as you're okay with whatever you want to buy or something, that's fine. That's fine, but that's up to you. Yeah, but then people start. What happens is people start reaching out to you. Okay, yeah, this is what you do. That guy, he's just there reaching for you. You never really listen to you. And then get them into fight.
The problem is when you go over the
What
Oh,
the?
of course. You're like that guy. I want to live with a room full of girls. Of course, everybody does. You have a little bit of decency. Like, no, I got my own place. I'm okay, but thank you. And maybe if you give me hard time, she can help you. That's a good friend. You know, she's a good friend. You've known her for a long time, and at least she does all
hold it.
this. At least she offers stuff like that. You know. Most people will be like, what's this?
Hey, you got a place where you can put glass in your truck? Window.
Oh, you want a decal?
Yeah. What is that? Hold on, what's that?
But yeah.
I got a fire stick.
What was you wanting a fire stick?
I don't even know where they were.
Yeah.
Is it gonna have more channels?
No, it's for like Netflix and Prime Video and all that. Do you have any of that? Usually when you get a phone, they usually give you like HBO Max or something.
I got my phone is Netflix.
Yeah, just what you do is once you plug it in, go to Netflix on the thing, it should be on there already. And then you click on Netflix or even the button, just go to Netflix, and then it'll say sign in with your phone. And then the little thing will come out, and then you just sign in with your phone, and you have it on your phone. And you don't have to be watching it on your phone. You can watch it on TV.
Yeah, but I get tired of it. I'll be like, then I fall asleep because it's too small.
You already used to just being on your phone. But yeah, you can have that. I bought it at a yard sale. Most people already have phone TV. I want to see if that's you can take it. I have big ass TV, I'm gonna throw it away or something. Let's try it out right now. I'm just trying to do a couple of hacks.
Yeah, that was another thing he did. He bought a big TV.
He took, that's understandable.
No, that's no, but I told him, I said, like, dude, I do not want a big TV in here.
Yeah.
And when he bought the TV, it was like about your size. It's too big for that apartment. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's too big. You have one?
I'll just get something else.
You got a rug?
Oh, rug?
Rug.
You can take that one, but smell like doji.
No, I don't want the
You just get it in doji. Yeah, my mom wants that. Today is like 15:30. We're trying to copy it. Everybody's gonna start returning the shit. That's gonna sneak in. Does she want a Chingon shirt on her too? Look, you can make her a TXT.
Oh, you have one?
Huh?
Yeah.
Breadsticks.
She's gonna, I know what she's gonna tell me. Quit making me this stuff.
No, don't make it.
No, let me see. What kind of hat you have?
What about a little bag? Look at that shit.
No, she doesn't.
Huh?
She don't need a bag. She wears it for the
Let's see this guy.
Oh yeah, I still remember this place.
You still go there or no?
They don't hurt you.
Oh, you don't go there no more. Yeah, sorry.
Oh, okay. What colors do you have? You have any black ones? Any black hats? Black hats?
What's the black one?
Okay.
They're like that.
Let me see.
So what the disco guy hat to make everybody jealous?
So what?
I'm actually doing super good compared to my actual Pizza Tower game, but
The gray, I have a gray one and see the black one.
why did I do that? No.
This is more like her.
Whoa.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like a cycling hat, kinda. These are like, I like them. That's the phone I have. This is my hat. Look.
I could.
See, now it's hard for Jose to get rid of that guy,
It's too big. But I have to get rid of it.
huh? Huh?
Yeah, it's just a weird situation.
You think that's big?
Too big, man. She's gonna have to get a record.
Toe tracker. You get a toe tracker. You get a toe tracker. You get a toe tracker. Actually, the sprites, yeah. Sprites, yeah, sprites. I don't even know who you are. Oh, sorry.
I can order some
Right.
small ones for her or something with the little Mar. I'll do the little Mar one. I'll do some little ones.
Well, that is
Oh, little one?
Yeah, I'll do the little Mar ones. That way we
for
can make
today.
it.
I'm
Maybe
super
order like a
doing
big
this.
Oh, it's good.
I'll come back to this game for sure. If it gets enough likes,
No.
maybe some new subscribers.
No.
No.
So, yeah.
Oh, he's there.
Bye-bye.